were imposed on Germany at the Treaty of Versailles. So let's see over here. The peace treaty at Versailles with the Allies was a harsh and humiliating peace. Germany lost its overseas colonies. Overseas colonies means whatever the colonies or territories he won, Germany won in some other countries. A tenth of its population means whatever the overseas colonies he won, that he lost, that was taken away by the elite powers from Germany. He lost his tenth of population of its total population. 13% of its territories he lost. 75% of its iron and 26% of its uh, coal field areas he lost in the, which was further divided among the four countries, that is France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. So this was a big loss for the Germany at the Treaty of Versailles. Means totally economically he was made cripple. The elite powers demilitarized Germany to weaken its power. Yes, its military was also limited up to 1 lakh only. Okay, more than 1 lakh soldiers he could not keep or maintain. So to make Germany weak. Okay, so this was the second harsh condition which was imposed on Germany. The war guilt clause held Germany responsible for the war and damages, and allied countries suffered. The war guilt clause held Germany responsible, means Germany was made responsible for uh, conducting this war, and war and damages and allied countries suffered. Whatever the war and damages the allied countries had suffered, Germany, for the compensation of that damages, Germany was forced to pay compensation amounting to 6 billion pound. Okay, compensation means a type of supporting money. Compensation in Hindi it is known as muavza. Okay, so he was made responsible for this war, to start this war, and Germany was forced to pay compensation for the damages faced by the elite countries, amounting 6 billion pound. The elite armies also occupied the resource-rich Rhineland for much of 1920s. Allied armies, whatever the Allied armies means, French, Denmark, Poland, USA and Britain, all those armies occupied resource-rich Rhineland. Rhineland again, it was a mineral resource area which was occupied by those elite armies for 2 years, approximate for 2 years. Many Germans held the new Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war, but the disgrace at Versailles. Yes, many German political leaders, many German common people, and other some scholars made responsible Weimar Republic for a defeat of the Germany in First World War, as well as the disgrace or the humility insult which is faced by Germany at the Treaty of Versailles. So that is why it was not welcomed by all the section of the society of Germany. Weimar Republic was not welcomed by all the section of the society of the Germany. And it is also said by the historians that the Treaty of Versailles, the seeds of Second World War were sowed in the Treaty of Versailles itself. So it was a statement. Now the effects of the war. What effects did the First World War had on European society or European politics or economic condition? So first of all, the war had a devastating impact on the entire continent, both psychologically and financially. Yes, psychologically means mentally also it impacted the people or the number of countries, as well as financially also it destroyed the economic system of most of the countries. Either these were the defeating countries or these were the winning countries. Means all winning and defeating countries faced a big financial loss, and mentally also, emotionally also, these countries suffered a lot. From a continent of creditors, Europe turned into one of debtors. means before the First World War, most of the countries like France, like England, all these